Good morning, dear students. We'll continue with the lesson 7, page 99. We have completed with the defensive midfielder. Now we have the central midfielder who is positioned at the center of the football field and plays both an offensive and defensive role. Defensive role is to stop the ball from reaching to the goal, and offensive is to attack. Because the center can play both roles, running between both teams' penalty boxes. So this person positioned in the center, therefore they can play both the roles by running between the penalty boxes. He or she is known as box-to-box midfielder because they can play from one penalty box to another. So they have another name, that is box-to-box midfielder. English footballer Steven Gerrard and Spain's Xabi Alonso are two of the best box-to-box midfielders of their generation. A key role in a team is the attacking midfielder, whose main job is to advance an offensive attack. A strategic attacking midfielder can also fulfill the role of playmaker. Strategic means a person who has the art of planning. A midfielder who has this art can be a playmaker. A good ball playmaker is the brain of the team and does not only plan an attack but also distributes the ball based on his or her reading of the strategy of the other team. So the important thing of an attacker is not only they have their own plan but also understand the strategy of the other team. It is traditional to give the playmaker the number 10 jersey. Usually the number 10 jersey or the pullover is given to the attacking midfielder. Okay. We'll come to the next page. Zinedine Zidane is one of the most famous playmakers, though there are plenty of others. Xabi Alonso has been known to take this role and excel, as does his fellow countryman Xavi and Italy's Andrea Pirlo. Finally, there is a wide midfielder or winger. So this is the last section, that is wide midfielder. Till now we were discussing about the central midfielder, whose role is similar to that of the attacking midfielder. The difference is that wingers attack from the side, though a modern winger can also attack from the center. Now, according to the modern rules, they can even attack from the center. Otherwise, usually the wingers attack from the side. Ryan Giggs is one of the most famous wide midfielders today. The final and most celebrated position in a football team is that of a forwards. The forwards are usually the ones who do the scoring. The work of the forwards is to do the scoring. While a forward does not have to do as much as defender or midfield player because they see to the both sides and the strategies of the team, it takes skill and precision to play this position, because unless you know to handle the ball or where you want the ball to land, accordingly you kick or tackle the ball, you cannot get the goal. A good forward must be able to produce results when the ball comes to him or her. The center forward or striker stands closest to the opposition's goal. So center forward or the striker is standing close to the opposition's goal. They have two roles: to score when the ball is passed to them and to distract the opposition's defense without violating any rules of course. So therefore, they have two roles. One is to score and another is to distract the attention of the opposite team. Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo and Wayne Rooney are some of the greatest current strikers. Thierry Henry, Ronaldo and Gabriel Batistua's skill, goal scoring ability have made them legends. So these people are well known in the place of strikers. The second forward or withdrawn striker assists the striker. So, one striker and the assistant striker. They are also known as second forward. And most have excellent, both should have excellent passing skills. In some strategies, the second striker used as the main scorer. So, he will be the one who is striking the ball. While the forward put in front of him is merely a decoy. Only the forward is only to trick the other team. Decoy means to trick somebody. Pelé, widely thought of as the greatest footballer in history, played second striker during his career. With the positions and players in place, now let us look at the rules of football. The rules have been standardized by an organization known as Federation Internationale de Football Association, that is called FIFA. All of us are well aware. Now the World Cup was going on, so everyone knows about it. International Federation of Association Football in English. The FIFA is the governing body of association football and is thus responsible for all major international tournaments. So, any major international tournament takes place, who organizes it or who is responsible for it? FIFA. FIFA is Federation Internationale de Football Association. The two biggest FIFA tournaments are the World Cup and Women's World Cup. So, two main tournaments they organize is World Cup and Women's World Cup. The FIFA Women's World Cup is held every 4 years and has been held since 1991. The last tournament played was in 2019 and the current champions of team are USA. The FIFA World Cup, which includes all men teams from around the world, is also played every 4 years. So, both men's and women's are played every 4 years. Women's is played last in 2019. And also the men's team was played every 4 years. As the biggest event in football, it naturally generates tremendous excitement and is covered across all football loving nations. Whether they have teams participating or not, whether teams are participating or not, all the country encourages or watches this FIFA World Cup. The FIFA World Cup has been played since 1930, okay. The last tournament was in 2018, games held in Brazil, where held in Russia, where France emerged victorious. So, 2018 it took place in Russia and France had won.